stillness. That's difficult. That's a training. Because no matter how agitated your physical body is, your heart is still. What is the purpose when you have plenty of blood everywhere to run? Your heart is still there. Nothing changed. Your heart is very still. That magical moment we called intuition of the body. Because only when you're Shen in the palace, this little bird is there, then you know where to go. When you work on the workout, you do have your movement to build up your muscle, to quicken your heartbeat. They are also very healthy. Okay, I don't say that they're not good. It's different word. Different is the stillness of the little bird. Let's make more subtle. Why? It's because at that moment we want to develop your potential of your intuition in your body. Where is the problem? I don't know. You know. Even I'm a practitioner, I don't know. I cannot see through your body. However, we can develop that. That means that the body itself, it understands where is the problem. We want to give your body that key to unlock that door. But how? Your heart knows the time. Your Shen, your little bird, is too curious. When your little bird is too curious, we call the scattering of the energy. When you have this scattering of the energy, do you think that's not going to affect your blood flow? Of course. The blood flow is constantly affected by your Shen. That's your heart. Your heart is the pump. But most of us only understand heart is the pump in the sense of physical aspect. But don't forget, heart is the pump also in a mental, spiritual levels. Let's say, if you have fibroid, endometriosis, that's obstruction. Do you think your little bird doesn't know? He knows. The little bird knows what happened in your body. Because there is certain change of vibration. That's very subtle also. That's why we see the tongue shows as an indication. But the problem is how to heal. You see the tongue, most of us, we see the tongue, we say, let's just get a treatment from herbal medicine or acupuncture, which is very good. We call it passive. But if you can develop intuition of the body, because body knows, you don't give the body that stillness of the heart to pump more blood to your uterus, let's say. So that's why there's no healing. But when we keep that stillness, having that agitation, we call it agitation, maybe it's not a good word, very aggressive vibration, at that moment, at the same time, stillness of the heart, these two things combined, there is a good chance you are going to get more blood flow to go to the organ in need.